I think my final learning was that Satyamev Jayate, that truth will always win, but with proactive measures. We just can't sit down and think that truth is going to come out one day and, keep bearing the misery of injustice in society. We need to fight back, but we shouldn't be insecure of the lack of resources or the lack of people. Literally, we have very few people on one side, and there's we're very few people with very little resources, but then a proactive attitude will get us through. This is something I saw from my personal journey, because at one point I was just one person, but then so many organizations and so many good well-meaning people came to my aid, and we were able to finally put out the truth. So that, I think, is my learning. And I think this is something that every organization, every government, every country can emulate, especially India, that we need to start taking proactive steps. Even if currently China might be doing slightly better than India economically, much better than India economically, but we need to take proactive steps. We don't have to wait until we are the economic superpower to take proactive steps.
Right.
And that, because we have truth on our side, we're going to sail through. So I think as a community, as people, we need to work towards justice. And the fact that Satyamev Jayate, and that's the core essence of our society, it will take our truths through, and the lack of resources will never be a problem.